How to measure crowd on Google Maps. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can measure crowd on Google Maps. Usually Google Maps doesn't directly provide a feature to measure crowds. For that what you can do is measure the traffic on Google Maps. For that, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type google.com/maps. Then press enter to browse it. Now once you open Google Maps on your device, enter your destination or navigate to the area you are interested in. Once you have selected your destination, click on the layers option and click on this more option. Under map details, you'll find traffic. Click on this traffic option from the list. Map will now display the color-coded traffic conditions with green, red and yellow lights. Green lights indicate the clear roads where there is less traffic and crowd, whereas the red shows heavy traffic and crowd. The yellow one shows neither heavy nor light. Also, you can click on this live traffic and select typical traffic from here. Then you can select the day of the week and check the traffic. Also, you can use this slider to select different time, and in this way you can know at what day and at what time there is heavy traffic or crowd. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.